If you've never thought of wiping a car window with shaving cream, you should definitely watch this video until the end. Because I'll show you here several advantages that this brings with it. Because you surely know this problem that the car windows mist up from the inside, especially if you just got into the car in the cold season. This is the case, and then it takes a little longer until they are free again. But this is exactly what you can counteract with shaving foam, and how that works I would like to show you now briefly. To do this, you take conventional shaving foam, apply it to a microfiber cloth and then start wiping your car window with it. That is, the interior windows on the door as well as the front window. You can wipe with the shaving foam. For this you put a little shaving foam on the cloth and then start to distribute the whole thing on the window. You can then wipe off the shaving foam normally, so you don't need any additional water. You just rub it more and more and eventually the shaving foam is gone. In this case you have now applied a small protective layer to your pane, which ensures that water and moisture is generally no longer adhere. This means that where your window would otherwise fog up, no moisture can get to the window and therefore it can no longer fog up, thanks to this protective layer that we have applied here. By the way, you can test this directly after application by blowing on your window. Because on the pane where you don't have shaving foam on it, you should immediately see that it fogs up, and where you put shaving foam on it, nothing fogs up anymore. This eliminates the annoying wiping of the windows from the inside because they are fogged up, and also the window can no longer freeze from the inside because no moisture accumulates. Here you can see that I did not wipe the front window with the shaving foam, but I did wipe the side window. The front window fogs up and the side window remains completely clear. Therefore try this trick out for yourself. If you would like to know why you should pull a knife over a mug, be sure to watch the video that I link you here. If you liked the video, then I would be really happy about a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel and activate the bell so you don't miss any new video.